This is Series 1, Episode 87. Today is the 31st of October 2021, and I want to talk about this stock, Centrus Energy Corp, ticker symbol LEU. This is a uranium stock that I believe is very likely to break out very soon. If you're interested in my analysis, please continue watching the video. Now, I have talked about uranium stocks previously in episode 65. I went into some detail and I actually talked about a specific stock in that episode, which is now at almost 100% since that video. Uranium is one of the hottest sectors at the moment, so I want to focus on that sector for this particular video. Now, because I'm talking about a stock, I have to make this disclaimer. Everything I talk about in this video is for informational purposes only. If you decide to act upon that information, that is your decision. You are responsible for all of your trading decisions. Okay, let me get cracking. So I've got a horizontal line in here just to show you the bigger time frame, show you where the stock used to be, around 7k. Then there's been this big sell-off, like all of uranium stocks. Huge sell-off. And we're right down here now. So let me go down to the daily time frame and show you what I'm seeing. Now the technical setup I see here is what they call a high tight flag formation. I rarely talk about high tight flags because they're very difficult to find in the stock market. I talk about flag patterns all the time, but high tight flags are different. You have to see a move of 100% in price, then a consolidational phase, which we're seeing now, but there's more criteria that needs to be met before it's a valid high tight flag. But all the criteria is met on this. This is a high tight flag and it's high probability. So for this to be verified, what we need to see price break this high, which is at $57.80, and we need to see it break that high by 10 cents to validate the trade. So if this stock reaches $57.90, it's a confirmed high tight flag breakout. Now those breakouts can be so fast. You're talking sometimes 15-20% in the same day. But you also need to be wary of the fact that you might need a bigger stop loss of 15-20% as well. But they tend to break out really quickly and off to the races they go. So there's the setup, guys. We need to see this at $57.90. You can, if you wanted to, set an order in advance to open at $57.90. And I'll show you why in a second, because I actually talked about a high tight flag stock in episode 85. So let me just show you what happened with that stock, just to give you a bit more confidence about these high tight flag technical setups. So in episode 85 I talked about this company, SM Energy, and I said if we broke the high here by 10 cents, that would be a confirmed high tight flag breakout. What happened? I think it was the following day. It broke out. That was confirmed there, right there. It broke out. Then it went up for a couple of days, and then stopped here. This is like a perfect trade for me because that was confirmed, and then it came back down to retest the breakout area, and then the following day, look at it. It just goes. They go wild, these high type flags, and that was like 15% thereabouts. So if you're going to take any of these high tight flags, you need to bear in mind that they are quick get in, get out. Not always. Some go on to make 80-90% or more, but I look at them as sort of get in 15%, get out. So back to LEU, I think it's probably going to break out on Monday. What's that, 1st of November? That's my prediction. LEU is about to move, I think. So there's the idea, guys. If you like what I'm doing, of course, please like and subscribe. And if you really want me to do another video on high tight flags, I can do. Thank you very much.